Progressive Magazine, January 2024, exercise number 6. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Get ready for it. Start. I made that simple statement in Bombay, if I may call it so, to give an assurance that the decision was not final and irrevocable. The statement said, in effect, let peace be restored first, and then this matter may be decided calmly. I do not mind which way it is decided. I am perfectly prepared to plead the cause of Maharashtra with others. Animus is a big word. I have no disinclination towards Maharashtra, but animus is a big word. I attach much importance to this question being solved in a calm manner so as not to leave any headache behind. By all means, let Maharashtra get Bombay in a friendly way, in a cooperative way, and it will be good for Maharashtra. It will be good for Bombay and good for the country. The older I grow, the more I feel that the manner things are done is more important than the things themselves. Means are more important than ends. All our trouble in this business has been not that the ends were not good, but that the means employed somehow tarnished the ends, made difficulties, and actually came in the way of achievement of those ends. I am not blaming anybody. I am quite prepared to blame myself. But I believe it is a fact that if you employ the wrong methods and gain something, then end is perverted because passions and had come into play. I wanted the question to be considered in a calmer atmosphere. The more I thought, the more I felt it was good to postpone this particular decision for some time. I say 5 years, but I am not setting any rigid limit. It is an indication that our minds are not closed on this issue and that the matter is left open for the future to be decided when the opportunity arises. It was, to my humble thinking, a hand held out to Maharashtra instead of against it. The day before I made that statement in the All India Congress Committee. I had the privilege of meeting quite a number of leading gentlemen from Maharashtra, and we talked about these matters. I told them my difficulties and asked them what could be done about the bill. I said that we could see that the matter was not closed but was kept open for a period. They asked me whether I would say so before the All India Congress Committee. I agreed and I made that statement. I did not convey any firm decision of government. I know that when a prime minister makes a statement, it is important, not casual at all. Stop.